Right, welcome back to my Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up Http Injector application in all countries and on all networks by just using two applications from Google Play Store. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to open the Google Play Store and download these applications. So if you're interested in our content, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And don't forget to like our video if you are interested. So this is the application I'm talking about, the HTTP Injector. Download that application and put it in your mobile device, Android device. So we're going to go to the search bar and then we search another application called CoffeeNet. Please request you guys to help us and like our video, share it to your friend. If you get any problem, rush to the comment section. We will be available for everyone in all countries. So install that application also in your mobile device and then follow these steps I'm going to be showing you. Then I'm going to go back to my home screen and then I'm going to be showing you the applications. We have right here the HTTP Injector application. It is right here. I'm going to be setting it up on all networks. This is what the HTTP Injector application looks like. So before continuing, allow me to first put a note that this tutorial is purposely for informational and educational purposes only. So users must first read their network service providers terms and conditions before continuing with this tutorial. So they must also follow the local laws. We're going to go back and then we open the application. This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to come right there where we have the generator, SNI generator, this one. Sorry, I mean this one. In the CoffeeNet application we downloaded previously, and then you're going to be putting in our country. For example, let me insert in Zimbabwe. Sorry, let me put in Zimbabwe. They're going to be bringing these hosts. If you see a network, you can put in your country right there, and then I'm going to be copying one of those SNI hosts, but you can be clicking next this one to see more hosts, SNI hosts. But I'm going to be check. Let me go with that one of Econet. This one. I'm going to copy, and then I go back. I'm going to exit the application. I'm going to go back to the HTTP Injector application, and then I'll go here where we have the server name identification. I'm going to be pasting in. I'm going to highlight that one and paste. What's happening? I'm going to go back to this one, the CoffeeNet application, and then I search a country because maybe my clipboard was off. Let me use this, but I don't trust that. I think let me just copy by highlighting, and then I go back to the HTTP Injector application, this one. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to just be pasting it right here, and then I save. After, I'm going to come where there is start. I'm going to choose a server. I'm going to press OK, I'm going to choose the server that has SSH only, but when it is near to my location, that is Poland. Let me pause for an AD. The AD is done. Let us close that one, but it seems that this thing is so much disturbing, but let us continue. I'm going to go to the German, and then you're going to choose the one that has the highest percentage, this one, and then I'm going to be pressing the connect icon, and then I'm going to start. As you see, just wait, you'll see that it has connected successfully. So I sign out.